Hello? Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I'd like us to start off with a chart on my screen. I want us today to at least look at AUD CAD. On this chart, we're having a very good support level, even though the price is currently showing signs of closing below it. We have a very good support zone here. As long as this zone is not violated to the lower side, this should give us a good place to be looking for a buy from. So we're just waiting to see what happens. If the price closes below this line, then it means that the next place to look for a buy from is this one. If this zone is broken, then the next zone is this one. If this is broken, then the next zone is this one. So anytime we pick a position, like if you pick a buy here, our stop loss is fixed below the low of the next zone, which is this one. If we pick a buy position here, our stop loss is again fixed below the low of the next zone, which is this one. If this zone you buy here, then your stop loss should be fixed below the low of the next zone, which is this one here. And in case the price breaks above these red zones, then that will be a sign that we're now continuing in that direction, and therefore a good place to be looking for a position in the direction of the buyers. The other chart is Euro USD. With Euro USD so far, the price just bounced off from a very good resistance. We have a very good resistance here. We have a very good support here. So as it is right now, we are basically looking for sell positions. We expect that the sellers are going to continue to push price to the low side, at least up to this point. This is 1.06762. So we keep looking for sell orders as long as the price is held below this zone here, expecting that the sellers are going to continue downwards up to this target. If this is broken, the next target is this one. So basically the idea here is to watch for a sell position up to this point. If this is broken, expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards up to this level here. If this is broken, then the next target is this one. So we have this one, have the next target, and you have the next one at this point here. My next chart is GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, we are having a very good resistance here. We have a very good support here. So as it is right now, we are basically just looking for sell positions. We do expect that the sellers are going to continue to push price downwards, at least up to this point. This is the place to look for a buy from. So if you're on this chart while we are talking right now, you are supposed to be focusing on sell positions on this chart. Expect your target to be around this point. This is 1.22658. If this is broken, the next target is this one. So basically speaking, we expect a move up to this point. If this is broken, the next target is this one here. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. With the US dollar Japanese yen so far, this is bullish. We have a very good uptrend. You can see that the price indeed bounced off from this zone from the past. It headed upwards up to this resistance. So if the price can ascend above this red zone, that will be a good place to continue looking for buy positions from, at least up to the next red zone. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue much higher. So expect a breakout above this red zone with the next target at this price. If this is broken, we expect the price to extend much higher. The other chart is gold. So on gold so far, we are looking at a possible continuation to the lower side. We do expect that the sellers are going to continue to push us downwards. So if the price can move down and touch this point, this should be a good place to look for a buy from. If the price ascends above this red zone, that will be a good place to consider continuation to the upper side, at least up to around 2081.26. So if the price ascends above this line, expect it to continue upwards up to the next level, which is this one. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue much higher. The next chart is the Brent oil. With Brent oil so far, we had very good resistance zones. We have a support, So as it is right now, if the price can go below this green zone, then we will expect it to continue downwards up to the next green zone, which is this one. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue much lower. So that should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.